celebrate the return of the Tonic Tangerine die cutting machine, we've put together 6 wonderful bundles for you that will go perfectly with your brand new machine. So let's find out what those bundles are. First up, we've got a swirls, butterflies and hearts bundle at 75% off. These are essential dies in lots of beautiful patterns. Next we have a sentiment strip bundle at 60% off. These dies are modern and fresh and it's a great bargain. We've got a selection of essential die cutting tools at 50% off. We got a mega bundle for you of adhesives at 30% off. We've got a Craft Perfect Classic card bundle and that's available for you at 40% off. And finally we have a Classic Card Blanks bundle at 30% off. These bundles will be available from Friday at midnight all the way until Monday at 4 PM. So get some of these bundles to go perfectly with your brand new Tonic Tangerine, which is now back in stock on the Tonic Studio store.